He's going to help me out, though.
Oh, good. Let's look at the other leg.
Max. You'll look at me, won't you? Oh, you're being so helpful. Thank you. Boy.
Good boy.
Let me go ahead and go a little faster.
Look at you,
Good
big
boy,
man.
Max. Good boy.
If I just turn the number up here, we'll
Yep.
go, or I have to press the track.
Nope. It'll. Come on, Max.
So it's 5.6, went from 5.2 to 5.6.
Come on. He's gonna do perfect.
I bet his mom does this too.
Yep. Come on. Come on. Good boy.